Western Long Island Sound. I'm talking it's got to go on down either the East River or it's got to go to the Harlem River. And those two little rivers are not going to be able to sustain all this water, and it's going to go up and over the New Jersey barrier islands. All right, Long Beach Island, you're in a real tough position for this storm, a real tough position. Please make all your precautions there. Also, a place like Sandy Hook, you stick right out there like a lightning rod. It's going to be coming right over you. The Twin Forks, any eastern-facing basin is just going to catch that water, all right? The Twin Forks, you're open like this, and all that water's coming in, and unfortunately, I do see, like around Riverhead, I see some flooding for you, all because of the storm surge. Let's get right into the timeline. Starts to pick up tonight with some tropical storm conditions out there, but the worst is going to be Monday afternoon to Monday evening. That's the worst of it. Tuesday evening, that's where things starts to sort of calm down, but it's going to be a long period of time. I just showed you from tonight all the way through Tuesday night. And possibility you're looking at 48 hours of this. Here's what we see right now in the Titan radar picture. And whatever rain that's light in our area right now, but it's still associated with Sandy. This is the center of Sandy right there. It's not the healthiest looking storm right now. As a matter of fact, I wouldn't be surprised to watch this storm weaken with the next update, which I will get for you in about an hour and a half, and I'll be right out here to share it with you. However, all the models say even if it does weaken, it is forecast to strengthen again off the shores of Maryland, where it then makes that big turn coming on shore. Here's your current status on the storm. It is a Category 1, 75-mile-per-hour winds, 530 miles to the south-southeast of New York City. Moves to the north and northeast. Looks like it's going out to sea, then makes that big hook. And now we see it coming on shore right around Atlantic City. Again, that's the area where we would be seeing the biggest rainfall totals, Atlantic City and points south. A lot of rain in the southern half of this storm. But again, the landfall would be anywhere from Staten Island down to the Delaware-Maryland border. That's landfall. But I just had the most recent numbers. Storm force winds extend from this line. Wherever this line comes on shore, listen to me on this one, the hurricane force winds extend out over 100 miles. Tropical storm force winds, get this, extend out 520 miles. 520 miles, guys. Can you imagine like, driving that far and you would be in tropical storm force winds the entire way from wherever this thing comes on shore? So I don't care if it's the very tip of the cone, it's the very bottom of the cone. It affects us all in the tri-state area. Here's the landfall possibilities. I want to just rank them as far as what would be best for us, what would be worse for us. I've got bad, I've got worse, and I've got the worst. Right now, look, it's going to be bad if you take a hit out on Long Island. Don't get me wrong on this. Any landfall is bad for us, and that's what I'm saying. It's all bad. It's bad if it's out on Long Island. Definitely bad. It's worse, however, if it's south of New York City in places like, say, Ocean County, because that surge comes on, it's much stronger on the northern side of the storm. That's worse for us. But the worst would be if it moves a little further to the north. It's currently forecast to come on shore around Atlantic City. Let's say it comes on shore around San Diego. That's the absolute worst place for us because we still catch the surge and stronger winds around the Iowa as well. If you've got something